Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to be making a ribbon angel, very similar to this one, but she's going to be a Valentine themed angel. This one I made in the fall. You can see the little owls on there and the gold, the orange accents. She has a little hanger on the back so she can be hung on a stand or she can be hung on a Christmas tree. So let's see how our Valentine angel is going to turn out. I'm using different widths of ribbon. I have 5/8 of an inch. I also have 1/4 inch ribbon. This one I use about 14 strands of ribbon and about 11 to 12 inches long. So I have all my ribbon cut and we're just going to start layering it up and see how she turns out. So I'll bring you down here and you can see all the different ribbon that I have. This of course is going to be our top layer here, this pretty Valentine ribbon that I have. I just love ribbon. I have so much ribbon and I have so much fun making these angels. You can make them any color combination you want. If it's a gift for somebody and you have their favorite colors and know of their favorite colors, you can make them an angel in that color, or for any holiday theme also. So I'm just going to start layering these until I have 14 of them. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. It's just whichever way you want it to be, whatever way you want it to be. So I'm just gonna keep going here with my ribbon until we have 14, and I'm just layering them. I have this pretty red one here. It's 4. And this silver sparkle will be 5. I thought this beaded one is really pretty. I use this on practically every angel that I make. There's 6. Back to this 7, and now this one I'm just going to put a little clip on here just to hold these together. I'm going to do another 7 and then I'll put them together. After a while they get a little bit hard to hold and keep them all together. 7, that's 8, 9. Got 10 here. There's 10. 11. 12, 13, and 14. Okay, so I'm going to add these to my others. Jumped out. I think I'll just grab it and stick it down at the end. That'll be fine. Okay. This is what I mean about them getting hard to hold after a while. But we'll be fine. I'm going to stick a little clip here while I make some room. Just push those up. Now I use a pipe cleaner. This is what's going to hold the body together. And actually I only need half of this. So I'm going to cut this in half. And you can use any type of pipe cleaner that you want, because this is also going to be part of her halo too. So whatever color you think you would like to use for that is just fine. Have these. Some of these just coming out here. Okay. So I'm just going to find my middle. And I'm going to go ahead and put this through. And I'm going to twist it to get that on. Okay. And now we have our body. Okay. And then I like to use, these are just jewelry beads. I think I picked up a strand of these at Joann Fabrics. So I'm going to put that on there. And I'm going to bring that all the way down to her body. And then for her halo, I'm just going to wrap this around my finger to make like a loop, like that. I'm going to tuck the end in. And then I'm just going to bend that over. And you just have to work it so that it, becomes like a circle on top. So there we go. We have her halo. Okay. And then to secure all this up, I'm going to cut a little piece of ribbon, and we're going to make like a little collar for her. Want to make sure that I have a long enough piece here. Okay, I think that'll be fine. So I'm going to trim these edges a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on the back of her. A little bit of hot glue right back here. This is where we're going to start her collar. And I'll put that there. And we're going to bring these around. A little bit of glue here. Oops. We're going to bring this around here. And then the other one we're going to fold on top. Oops. There we go. Oh, there we go. Going to Fold that right on top of this one. And now we have her collar. Okay. I think I'm still going to just trim this just a little bit here. Make that a little bit shorter. Okay. And then I like to put just a little something yet on her collar. I have these gemstones. This is just a little heart that I'm going to be using, just a clear little heart. So I'm going to put that on the front. Just give her a little something extra there. Okay, so there she is. And now we have to do her wings. So on her back, I have these two feathers, and these are going to be her wings. And I'm just going to glue these to the back of her collar. Okay, and here she is. Here is our little Valentine. I'm going to move you back up here. Okay, might be a little bit easier to see. Here she is. Here, I'm going to, oh, I can't hang her on there. I wonder if I can hang her. I have a hanger here. I got these to hang my angels on. I do sell these at craft shows. I'm just going to hang her this way for now. I usually put a little beaded holder on the back like this. It's just those beads that I was using, the strand of beads. I just cut it to size and I put that on the back and use it as a hanger that way. This one though, I'm going to put a magnet on her, on the wings, and I'm going to use her on my refrigerator. So there she is. I think she turned out really pretty. These also are great craft show items if you do craft shows. I think I'm going to trim her down a little bit too. I'm going to trim some of these. That's what I forgot to do. Get some of these even here. If you know someone that's an angel lover, like I am, I love angels. I have a collection of angels. Perfect for them. They make great gifts. Nice and easy for craft shows. You can make a whole bunch of these in just beautiful colors. I do a lot of Christmas shows, so mine are usually Christmas themed, but they're just so pretty. Inexpensive, very easy to make, and if you have ribbon laying around like I do, I love ribbon. I buy a lot of ribbon. I don't always use it, but now I'm hoping to get a lot of angels made for my upcoming shows. I have a show in May, and I thought these would be so cute for Mother's Day to do something like this. And even the wings, you can even color coordinate the wings if you wanted to. So there she is. I think she turned out super cute. I'm very happy with her. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed my ribbon angel. If you're new here, if this is your first time here, I welcome you and I thank you very much for stopping by. If you are subscribed to my channel, thank you. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now.